Hello and welcome again to How to Get Out of Debt Fast. My name is Larry Adebeson and I'm the author of How to Get Out of Debt 70% Faster. In this video, I am going to address the second entity that you and I deal with on a regular basis, and whose interaction with us has a huge impact on how soon and how fast we get out of debt, as well as how much money we're going to have when we retire. So you see, the reason why I want to help you get out of debt real fast is not only so that you can enjoy the many benefits that come with being debt-free now, but the other reason is because the sooner, the faster you get out of debt, the bigger and better your retirement years are going to be. All I need you to do is just pay attention to what I'm going over now. We're going over the individual pieces, but it's all going to make sense. Now, before I also go any further, I want to let you know that if some of the things I'm going over with you, if for some reason you think I'm going fast, I want to let you know that you can actually click on the link below to request your own personalized debt-free plan. In that report that you're going to download, that will give you access to your personalized debt-free plan, you will actually see how all of these individual pieces that I'm going over with you now work together. So again, work with me, be patient. We're talking about the three entities you and I deal with on a regular basis, and whose interaction with us tremendously affect how soon we get out of debt and how much money we'll have upon retirement. In the previous session, I went over the first entity, represented by financial institutions. In this video, I'm going to go over the second entity, and that is represented by the taxing authorities. You know, most people do not pay a lot of attention to how much money they spend in taxes. But believe it or not, taxes are actually the most expensive, the biggest expense most of us have. As a matter of fact, most people spend more on taxes than they do on their mortgage, auto, utilities, and groceries. Don't believe me? Request your personalized debt-free plan by clicking on the link below. I'll run an analysis for you and you'll see it with your own two eyes. But let's go a step further now. The average American spends about 40% of their income in taxes. Again, you're probably thinking, no, Larry, I'm in the 25% tax bracket, or I'm in the 30% tax bracket. You might be, but when we're talking about taxes, we're not just talking about income taxes. We're talking about property taxes. We're talking about sales taxes. We're talking about the taxes you pay when you go to McDonald's, when you go to fill your gas tank, and so on and so forth. So again, taxes are very, very huge. So now, if you add the first entity, which is represented by financial institutions, which represents about 34%. If you add 34% to 40%, we're now at 74%. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the impact of those two entities. Then we'll move on to the third entity. Again, I want you to click on the link below this video so you can request your own personalized debt-free plan. See you in the next video.